Welcome to this tutorial on how to add some awesome Mixkit transitions to our Premiere Pro project. First things first, head over to Mixkit and pick out the transition you want. Once you've found it, go ahead and download it. Next up, unzip the files. It's super important that you keep the extracted files in the same location as the zip file. Now take a look at what we've got here. This is our transition in the form of a Premiere Pro project. Let's import it into Premiere Pro. Click OK once it's imported. Now pay attention because this step is crucial. You've got to locate the file you just imported. Simply click on Locate and navigate to the folder where you extracted the files. Once you've found it, double-click on the transition to add it to your source window. Now, drag that folder onto your timeline. Make sure you place it right in the middle of your videos. And just like that, you've added your Mixkit transition.